Yo, what is up guys, welcome to my new Roblox video, and today we are back, and this is what I found just now. This is something weird. This looks just like a normal player with a lot of numbers in name. Well, yeah, I think this is something weird, so let me tell you what I think. I'm not sure, but I think this is the first account ever created in Roblox. They're gonna be spamming like, oh, Roblox is number 1 ID. I know it's Roblox number 1 ID. But this guy, but Roblox is basically not a real person. Builderman, it's a real person, but it's from a community. This guy is just a random guy who made an account to play and explore. This is the first guy who ever played Roblox. This guy. Yeah. So as you can see, he have joined it in 2006. But if you go check on my profile, as you can see, this is my ID and it's very long. And I joined it in 2016. So, yeah, this is a bit weird. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna play his game, which is Roblox's Place. I can't play this game, okay? I don't know what now, cause, yeah. But, okay, and let me just check how much numbers he have in his name. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he has 17 numbers, I think, which is not a max, but I thought he had more than max. But okay, so what we're gonna do, we're trying to have some early player. Let's see. So, like 80. This should work. Nope, it's actually not here. It's like banned. Okay, what about I3? Oh, this guy is basically earlier. Okay, I think they joined it the same day, or I don't know. But I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna change my ID to this ID, 84. Let's see if they did join it the same day. Yeah, they did. As you can see, I think they did. Nope. Yeah, they did actually. In the same day, which is a bit weird. And it's called just like Steve, which is a little bit creepy name. But okay. So let me think about it. Maybe it's like 82. Nope. I think this guy, Steve, is the earlier player of Roblox. I mean, the first player who ever played Roblox. And yeah, he's not from the community, I guess. I go to John Doe. And yeah, I'll tell you something about John Doe you maybe didn't know about. Yeah, John Doe is basically an account made by Roblox, and Roblox made it just to test a banning system. Then someone just hacked into that account, and somehow he hacked someone else. I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's that. And John Doe, tap one, nice. But yeah, this is it. So I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, and bye bye.